Yes, Yan.
Everybody get used to it.
Yeah, come here, money. Thank you, brother.
It's fabulous.
Yeah, man, Shay. Looks like that your name and you see. Yeah, man, baby, me don't take your mic for you.
Yeah. Make sure pin the cash up. Good evening. Alright, no problem. It's what?
Guys, the water.
What? After the work?
Check the water.
I have nobody else. I have come back here. That's a character movie release from the right now.
The airport.
Yeah, she looks fabulous. Yeah, Tikki girl. That's right. No stuff. Yeah, you man show library. Okay, you man show library.
Lot you want, baby. Yes, Auntie, me get it. Thank you so much.
When I go, 10:13 was the food, the 50, and
Yes, Auntie, what? I love you. You're not drop no catch with me.
cute, you're not eating it. You're not dropping no catch either. You try to partial them.
Tio, what?
Nah, partial no more.
My big cocky uncle Tio, what? Tio, come here, Nisa, beg you something. Me just move Miami, I beg you something. Me just move Miami in my new apartment. Thank you so much, Auntie Sandy. God bless you. Feel magnificent. Foreign look good and Joy. Yeah, foreign look good and maybe I think you look nice. Then suppose that Simone me look nice. Yes, Simone, me a pull up. Nikki. Yeah, I see what purple or blue something. Right, team judgment.
You know what I say?
No.
Alright.
Your people them a watch here.
Who's my people?
Before they go work. We're gonna stop right just nobody knows. Yeah. Sherman is about the judgment and how it happened. I nearly lose my life. Shana, we stay today. Shana, we stay today. Airway. Maryland. We reach already, Auntie. You can't bear something on my paper, Auntie. Massachusetts, that near New York.
Foolishness.
Eh?
The other somewhere you did do a foolishness girl. You're just there for now.
Yeah.
She did that play.
We are going to be for.
Take the wheel, guys. On the
all
man.
the
You
blood
know
clot,
me not
me
do
fi
it.
blow listen
Me not
to
do
me.
it with your fixing.
can't-
I, it's the two woman name, I don't know.
Tikki they on the road I travel like she at the bus store. Me can't bother. I wish Bunny in a Tikki and the girl.
Yeah, what the policeman said about the last night, there was no blood clot said the
The
two
policeman
woman
said
there.
she, but me is a she.
The policeman come and said good night, sir, and said, oh, she's sleeping. You need for the blood clot or the man shall shoot you out the wall.
Mona,
Yeah?
watch Team Sheila.
You know it's not me say too early.
You don't come right up already, me think you want to go down the
No,
street, you
sister
want to go
we're going out.
Our sister
I wanna go
Julia.
out.
Oh, you want to drive through it?
Yeah, that's what I wanted to just
Think you want to see where they down there, sir?
Oh no.
Our sister
Yeah,
Julia.
some short shorts for Florida. You have to wear a battery rider.
When me let them get brown. I want moderator black 15, so them black cushion, you know.
No, you have to tell the moderator say don't block them. Jesus Christ. Moderator will lose and Tikki when allow him alone.
Take class.
Me know me not fi stop.
Lord God, we never unblock cushion now.
You don't
The
see the stop
moderator
sign?
16 there long before all of them.
And then the
Hey,
just come
cushion
and
arrest still, you know.
driver's license.
Moderator go back in the blacklist and see if you can find 16. Cushion arrest still. When we sued cushion, the moderator them now go for the golf cushion, so I tell him, you know.
Should we reach?
No. Look at them lawn. I don't do that.
Which part is mega part that big old blood clot truck here? You just see a two side road. One go up so one come back down so.
Oh, me unblock him.
Go on, dude. Let's see.
Type, man.
In can't type your fuck. Yo, cushion 9.
You think you can spell Tikki? You might be type. Enough of the girls them wish them could have type, you know. But them not have it in a name.
I see it. Oh my god.
I mean that me have left the boy kind of fire.
Speed run on.
Them say you look like a real man, one of them big man there with a show only for belly. I'm with that girl in her life where I freeze.
Get going.
You see me look like real man?
Yeah, always. Oh,
You know the people who look like real woman
Tikki.
don't get up in the
Suck baby girl. Me there searching.
I get
Me look like real man.
Aboom sister this.
Sister,
Girl, don't black fix things. Then Tikki has a fire gun in our family. Me can't bother.
Yeah, man.